All right, today I'm drawing the she alien from outer space. Welcome to the Charlie Doodle experiment. So I'm going to be up front, not that great at drawing female characters, so I try and hopefully I'll get better at it. I think I'm getting better at it, but when I do draw female characters, I always go to the 60s eyeliner and the high arched eyebrows. With this one, this was a quick doodle, so I went with pointy ears as always. Struggled with the shape of the face for a bit, but once I got it dialed in, I just started adding textures and moles and drew a pretty good scar on there. This particular character didn't feel like drawing hair, so I gave him the lobotomy treatment here with a cap on top of the skull there. But for coloring or painting, I just laid down some turquoise color and then threw on some purple on top of that and went with darker purples for the shading. With this one, I toyed around with the blending tool. Not a fan of it, but maybe I'll revisit it. It just wasn't doing what I wanted it to do. It's okay. But yeah, for this one, green skull cap on there. Threw on a yellow background with some spots, and there you have it. Comment, like, subscribe. I hope you like it, and I'll see you around. Take it easy.